Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, we have only one parcel. For today. Yeah, let's go open it. But before we open it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. 3, 2, 1. Let's go unbox this. I need to be careful. What if this is breakful? What if this is a phone? I will steal it if this is a phone. Just what if? Okay, I cannot see it. So let's see. Oh my gosh! I think this is breakful because it will break us. This have a lot of packaging. Oh, what's this? Wait, what's this? This is for Papalo, not for us. Wait, what? What's this? Huh? This? Can I open this? Sure. Okay, I will open it to see. I don't know what's this. Okay.
No, don't open.
Now I will open it.
I'm not using it yet.
What's this?
That's a paint.
Oh.
Mm.
For what?
That's for my room.
I will paint your room.
Yeah, I will paint my room.
No, me. Can I open it?
No. Don't open it because I don't use it yet.
Oh, that's why.
Read it. When I open it, I will use it. Clay. That's it. Read it. Read. What is that? So you understand.
Goatee. Goatee. This is goatee. Is this goatee? Goatee. Musty. Sofas paint wood
Surface
paint wood
multi-surface paint.
Surface wool.
Ask your viewers to read it.
Water. Read this. I cannot do it. Why did you read me? Why did you embarrass me? Won't post you. Huh.
This should be posted.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Bye.